just wanna live in a fantasy. I put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good.
He's so cute. This little puppy just came up to me and just started giving me all the love and kisses. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's so good to be here. I need to do a reset, fall prep. I need a new vibe. This month is giving new beginning and freshness. I broke out so bad last month in August. I think mostly because I started doing more hair content, and so my hair was always in my face, and so the oils and the products and stuff, like, you know, against your face here and there, like my skin was like we not having that. And she had a whole rebellion. We was in war and I lost. But as for now, we're going to Sephora to get all the skincare stuff that I need to re-up on. I have a list on my phone, and after Sephora, I gotta go to Target. Also, guys, I reached one of my biggest goals. I am finally monetized on YouTube, and I'm so happy. You guys can do anything you want to do. It's literally a mindset, and it's work ethic, and it's working smarter, not harder. Please work smarter and not harder. Don't waste your energy and time. Work smart, not hard. There is a difference. Hence why it was taking me 10 years for something that didn't need to take 10 years. Anyway, let's go. It's the feel.
You doing the vlog, vlog on top?
Yeah. Hey.
Welcome to Sephora.
Thank you. See you. Hey guys, I'm back home now. I am tired. Finished running the errands. Then I went to Bible study. Honestly, I'm really wiped. I think tomorrow I'm gonna give you guys a haul. I don't think this reset is gonna be in the course of one day. This reset might be over the course of 3 days, because sometimes you can't get everything you want done in one day. And I have to be okay with that, because I am a workaholic and I have to be okay with that. I see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. I'm about to get ready for the day. I'm gonna go have brunch with possibly a new friend of mine, a new church girly. So I'm excited about that. We're doing brunch. I've picked out my fit. I think this is what I'm gonna go with. I got this blue fuzzy sweater from Zolfo, black unitard from Bella Canvas, oatmeal colored skirt from Princess Polly, these socks from Temu actually, and then my loafers from Princess Polly. I have been loving this ponytail, guys. Like, I just wake up and my hair is done. I don't have to do anything. I have these thigh-high shears, but I really wanted to wear the socks just for the matching with the skirt a bit, even though not everything has to be matchy-matchy. But I overlaid them on top, and I'm trying to decide, like, do I like that or do I think it looks like silly? But then when you think about it, that's literally all fashion is a bunch of like experimenting and putting stuff together and see if it works and see if it doesn't, and like juxtaposition. And honestly, I kind of don't hate it. Also, I really want to get more into like makeup. The way I see the girlies doing their makeup on TikTok and on Instagram, and I feel like there's new techniques and stuff that I'm not aware of, that I'm still doing, like makeup techniques from like 2016. Bro, does anybody remember Vine? If you remember Vine, I know how old you are. If you know Vine, if you was around when Vine was a thing and had a Vine account, I know how old you are. TikTok is more advanced than Vine for sure, but Vine was so creative in the way that anybody who got up off of Vine, like became Vine famous, who was that guy or girl? Because the fact that you have to be so creative to grab somebody's attention in 6 seconds or less. I am a firm believer that Vine walked so TikTok could run. TikTok is an advanced and better version of Vine, but Vine definitely did its thing. Vine was the slaves, right? Our ancestors. And TikTok is us, okay? The free ones, the free men. And we could do all these things because of those in the past who fought for us. You know what I'm saying? Like, I think we need to put some respect on Vine's name. OMG, you guys pray for me. I need like new friends out here, because it's never been hard for me to make friends in my life. I'm like, what is this realm I've stepped into? I actually like the NYX Sweet Cheeks cream blush. I should have put this on under the powder. This is what I'm talking about. Like, why do I not know what I'm doing? Also, I saw this thing that this girl did. Also I would love the camera to focus. Also, literally just changed my shoes at the last minute because the sun decided to come out and it just got a little warmer, or a lot warmer, so. Hi, Lilies. Thank you. Now you look cute. Hi, Lilies. No, please. I'm back from brunch with Lily and it was so fun. I didn't just get back. I actually stayed in my car for like 45 minutes. But I'm gonna give you guys a haul of the stuff I bought. As you well know, in social media, the camera eats first. Yes, it does. So I have to get the content of it and then I can use it. For anybody out there who's thinking of doing social media, think long and hard on that decision. Here's what I got from Target. 99 cents. Baby wipes. No further questions or comments. Baking soda. I've used this in the past to try and whiten my teeth, but I would do it every night with baking soda, and then once in a while do peroxide and it would whiten my teeth. Toothpaste. Then I got some Johnson's baby oil. Now a new product I'm trying out for body wash that I needed to re-up on is the Method body wash. It says it's vegan and cruelty free and la la la, all that stuff. I got it because it smelled good. Then I got the Cashmere Wood and Sage scented body cream by Beloved. And then I got micellar cleansing water. Okay, next let's move on to Sephora. I just needed more of the Tropicals Faded Brightening and Clearing Serum. As I've mentioned before, I stand by this so far because I have for the longest time been on the hunt for a fade cream that works for dark-skinned black girls like myself so that I can clear up acne scars. Honestly, I've tried a lot of products. You obviously don't have to be dark-skinned and black to use this. If it works on me, it's for sure gonna get rid of your acne marks if you're lighter than me. So, and then I got Himalayan salt body scrub to use in the shower. And the last thing I got is this beautiful candle. This is chestnut sugar, but yeah, it looks like this, and it's really aesthetic and it smells really good. I tried the Starface Hydro Star pimple patches for the first time. How have I been living life without this? This literally gets rid of my pimples overnight. It's so cute. Like, what? I can have a pimple and still be cute. That's cool. I'm literally leaving links down below. Good afternoon. What we're gonna do, be productive with the rest of our day. Do some things that we don't feel like doing, because that's what discipline is, and discipline is what gets us to our goals. And I'm gonna start off with doing the laundry. I think the last clip you saw, I was cleaning, but I did other things throughout the day. I just didn't film it. And we just went out to dinner, me and my sister and my cousin, to celebrate me getting monetized. But yeah, I'm about to take off this little light beat. If there's any other product out there that's equally good for your skin, or better for your skin, I mean, and it's good for the environment and it's convenient for you, let me know. Me and makeup wipes, we go together real bad, real bad. Who else loves that feeling of taking off your makeup at the end of the day? So I got this exfoliating facial on right now. I'm gonna put a timer on for 8 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm gonna make some tea. The phone is ringing. Help is on the way. The earlier you start retinol, the better. I'm actually at the age now where it's appropriate to start, which is a crazy thing. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you